Hi, I'm John Kettell. If you want to enter our Win a Door competition, you're going to need to design a door. So I'm just going to talk you through how to use our benchmark door designer. So be on our website, kettellwindows.co.uk, and just highlight doors and benchmark door designer. I'll open in a separate window. The Craftsman door designer is on here as well. Ignore that for now. Today we are just talking about the benchmark door designer. So we'll use that one. You've got two different options, traditional or contemporary. Whichever one you want to choose, what style suits your property. If you click that will switch it and show you the contemporary doors. I'm going to switch back. I'm going to design a traditional door, and I'm going to go for the more green, which is already highlighted there. So there you go, this little graphic here, this shows you your external view. If you wish to see at any point a internal view, you can click flip, and that'll flip the graphic around to show you the inside. If you've got any side lights, top box, top light, you can click these, that'll add that on there for you. My design hasn't. So we go. So view from outside, is your door hinged on the left or hinged on the right? Does it open in? Does it open out? Right, external colour. There's a lot of colours to choose from. Again, completely personal choice. I'm going to go for agate grey outside. Internal colour on a benchmark door, that is always white. There's not a choice of internal colour, so it's always white. Next option is going to give us the frame colour. So the external frame colour. The door is agate grey. On this, it's not available on all, but some of them you can choose a matching frame colour to your door. This one, I can have a matching frame, so I'm going to go for a matching frame. Internal is white. Obviously, that matches internal colour. There's no choice. It is white inside. Secure by design. If you want to upgrade to secure by design, you've got to stick to a few of these features here. You've got to have a spy hole. You're limited to just the lift lever lock. You've got to have security chain. You've also got to have a TS008 letter plate. Now this has got a security cowl on the inside. It's not suitable for all properties, so if you need any more advice on secure by design, please get in touch. At the minute, I'm going to leave this as a no. Laminated glass, again, if you want security glass, you can click yes, and it gives you a few options there. I'm going to leave it as no. What can we choose? I'm going to choose the Beaumont door design. It's quite traditional design. You've got a choice here of different hardware. Now, different coloured hardware will give you different options at this stage. Again, it's a traditional door. I'm going to go for gold hardware. I'm going to go for the sweet handle. It's the normal lever handle. Split spindle. Now, this allows you to leave your door on the latch. So if you don't want anyone just walking straight through your door, just leave. You can click split spindle yes, and then that will just have a latch on. It's not fully locked, but it just stops someone walking straight through. But you will be able to lock yourself out, and you will need the key to get through it. So I'm going to leave that as no. I just want a normal handle, normal lift lever handle. Now, the normal lock is just the Vinkhouse True Lock. That is a normal lift lever lock. You've got a choice of that, the AV2, the AV3. These two are automatic locks. Now, ignore the AV2. We only use the AV3. So if you want a lock that is shut, you don't have to lift the handle, you can use the AV3 lock. For this one, I'm just going to use the Vinkhouse True Lock. Cylinders, we always use the Ultion cylinder. You've got a choice of a normal key, so key both sides, or a thumb turn inside, or if you want to match your thumb turn with your door handle, you can go for a polished gold. So I'm going to go for a polished gold one. Hinges, we only use the Challenger adjustable hinge. Normally you can leave that white, the door opens in, the frame's white, the door's white. If you don't want to make a feature of your door, leave it as white. That's the default option anyway. Obviously you can choose black, chrome or gold. I might change it to gold, got a gold handle on there. Security chain, if you want a security chain, click there. Hardware, letterbox, a few choices. It's the security one, standard. I'm going to go for the suite, that matches the suite handle. Letterbox position, you can have it at the bottom or the middle. I'm going to leave it in the middle. If you want a knocker with a spy hole, click one of these, and you can also decide where you want to put it. I'm going to go for the suite 2-part knocker. You can have it supplied loose, so we can fit it on site for you. It's your choice wherever you want it, or you can have it on the side or the middle. On this door, I'm going to have it on the middle. A few seconds, the graphic will catch up. Numerals, if you want house numbers on your door, you can choose them there. External, internal ramp, you can pretty much ignore these options, but they are for when you need wheelchair access. Again, leave them for now, but if you need any extra info, let us know. So notes, anything you want to tell us about your door, if you've got any sizes, put them in there. Any additional information, the more information you can give us, the better and the more accurate we can be at providing you a quote. So there you go. You can flip it if you want, and then you can see the inside rather than the external view. A few seconds, and it should flip round. There we go. Internal view shows the spy hole, the security chain. It's obviously white inside. So when you've done all that, you're ready to add it to your basket. Add it to your basket there. Ignore this validation warning. Door drip doesn't match hardware. That's because the door drip automatically matches the colour of your door. So ignore that. Proceed. There we go. Your door is going to appear in here. Now, if you wish to add another product, another door, for instance, if you want a quote for a back door as well as your front door, you can click there. Next stage, just save quote. Put your name and address in here. John. Email address. Telephone number. Postal address. And again, any additional notes, anything else you want to tell us that you may have missed off at any other point, you can put notes in there and we'll see them when it comes through to us. So save quote. Your quote will be saved, and then it's going to give you the next screen. It's going to give you a detailed specification of your design, graphics of your design, and all the details down the side. There we go. And that is then sent straight to us, straight to our sales team that can start quoting the door. And if they have any questions, obviously because you filled your details in, we can get straight back to you. All right. Thank you very much.